Can I dropship with just $50 in 2025? Join me as I take on the challenge of starting a dropshipping business with just $50 in 2025. Can I really make it work? Starting a dropshipping business can be a daunting task, especially when you're working with a limited budget. Many people wonder if it's even possible to get started with just $50. The truth is, dropshipping has become increasingly popular over the years, and for good reason. It allows you to sell products without holding any inventory, which means you don't need a lot of money to get started. However, there are still some significant challenges that you'll need to overcome. One of the biggest hurdles is finding reliable suppliers who can provide you with high-quality products at a low cost. This can be time-consuming and often requires a lot of research. You'll also need to consider the cost of marketing and advertising, as well as the fees associated with using various platforms to sell your products. These costs can add up quickly, making it difficult to turn a profit. Another challenge is standing out in a crowded market. With so many people selling similar products, it can be hard to differentiate yourself and attract customers. You'll need to find a way to make your products stand out, whether it's through unique branding, competitive pricing, or exceptional customer service. This requires a lot of creativity and effort, especially when you're working with a limited budget. In addition to these challenges, you'll also need to consider the technical aspects of setting up an online store and processing payments. This can be overwhelming, especially if you're not familiar with e-commerce platforms or payment gateways. You'll need to find a way to navigate these technical issues without breaking the bank. When it comes to starting a dropshipping business on a tight budget, there are a few strategies that can help. Using low-cost platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce can be a good starting point, as they offer affordable plans and a range of customizable templates. You can also focus on niche markets that are less competitive, which can help you stand out and attract customers. Social media marketing is another effective way to reach customers without spending a lot of money. By creating engaging content and leveraging platforms like Facebook and Instagram, you can build a following and drive sales. You can also use influencer marketing or partner with other businesses to expand your reach. One key to success is to be creative and resourceful. Instead of trying to compete with larger businesses, focus on finding unique products or niches that aren't being served by other sellers. You can also use free or low-cost tools like Canva or MailChimp to create professional-looking marketing materials and manage your email list. For example, you could use a free trial period to test out different platforms or tools, or negotiate with suppliers to get better prices. You could also use customer testimonials or user-generated content to build trust and credibility with potential customers. To make a real difference, you need to be willing to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions to the challenges you'll face. This might involve offering exceptional customer service, creating a unique brand identity, or finding ways to add value to your products. Starting a dropshipping business with just $50 requires careful planning, creativity, and a willingness to take risks. While it's not easy, it is possible to succeed with the right approach. In summary, starting a dropshipping business with $50 is a challenging task, but it can be done with the right mindset and strategies. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried starting a dropshipping business on a tight budget. And don't forget to check out my next video for more tips on e-commerce and online marketing.